Good afternoon, everybody. Today, I would like to talk about some of the transformation experience which I had in my different organization engagement. So, to start with, like whenever any organizations is undergoing business transformation, I have observed that there are some vital forces which is significantly influence our transformation activities. So when you think about the organization transformation, what I've observed, these are the first 5 fundamental forces which actually significantly influence the organization transformation. First one is the high performance team. Second one is the coaching ability. Third one is the leadership abilities and the organization mindset readiness. And the fifth one is the organization structure. When you think about the coaching perspective as agile coaches, all those elements, when you strengthen, the organization transformation becomes smooth enough and organization's ability to really build better product and solution enhanced. So, and repeatedly after several transformation projects when I've worked with, I have seen the similar types of pattern emerged. And every organization, what I have seen significant investments happen on this particular area, be it a mindset change, be it a coaching or strengthening the coaching aspects or enhancing the leadership abilities, like more progressive leadership, more servant leadership, more into this people-centered leadership. All those elements has been significantly strengthened, and then the byproduct of all those actions we can see into the organization agility. Another dimension, when you think about the personal agility, like every individuals, whenever they think like, okay, how well I am doing, what else I should do which can make me stronger and better, is I have seen these 7 elements which significantly influence individuals' performance. First one is ability to communicate effectively, like how well we are able to really express ourselves. Creativity, this is one of the vital element, like how effectively we can bring into the new things into the table, how fast, how easily we can really think a pattern and really bring in into the solution. Companionability, like how well you are able to get along with the various stakeholders, easy of getting along with the stakeholders. So this is also an art, like how well we have been able to develop that. So this is another major area where we would like to really work on to really strengthen that. Competent team creators, so that means individuals who are able to really build better teams, like understanding the team dynamics, ability to help the team to really perform better. This is one of the great traits whatever I've seen, like individuals who are good at that, their personal agility will any on top of everything. Change enablement, how effectively we can bring in new things into the system and also accepted by the individuals. So bringing new things and then accepted by all the elements is all the team members is also vital. So the change enabler is one of the crucial aspects what I have observed, the people who are actually really good at that, people who are able to really raise in their performance, they have this characteristics polished. Charismatic leadership, we all need to really work on this particular area, like how effectively we are able to develop these leadership traits, like what are the things we are doing which can help us to build a charismatic leadership characteristics, because at the end of the day all of us are leader, and the way we actually get along with the people, the way we actually influence our stakeholders play a significant role in our personal agility. So we need to really work on this particular area. And the catalyst are with the mindset where they are progressive mindset, like where they are always thinking that okay, there is a possibility, there is solutions, like any hurdles is not really hurdles, they always explore the opportunity, they actually help the individuals to really move on, and they have built that characteristics in their personality. So this is another characteristics which I have seen, like individuals who are very good at that, and all those 7 elements has been significantly polished. So we must have to really work on those particular things. When I zoom in individual leadership part, like the leaders who are actually very good at into these steps, what I have seen is all those characteristics is very much oil polished. What are those? Expanding mental strength, they are very resilient, like they can really deal with any types of pressure, any types of situations, so they have prepared themselves the mental strength. Expanding individuality, they constantly work on their development, they constantly look for an opportunity to really help them, which can really expand their abilities. Expanding learning ability, in the changing traits in digital transformation, everything is undergoing changes, so how fast we can really learn, that's one of the critical aspects, like ability to really learn and really know the techniques about learning. This is one of the important part. Expanding self-evolution, the great leaders are constantly reflecting their own abilities and reflecting what they need to really change with the changing trends, so they constantly evaluate themselves. Captivating others, they know how to really get along with the others, they know how to really influence them, they know really what are the aspects need to be really taken care of when they deal with the different diverse stakeholders on a multi-geography and multi-location. So one of the vital elements. Change enablement, so they know what are the things they need to do to really bring changes. So that's another element. Coaching others, like they are very good coach, they study about the coaching traits, they improve other coaching elements. Then examining leadership style, they constantly really change the way they are currently dealing with the leadership things. So those are the constant review and then improving it. The last one is the performance of the team, high performance team. Like what are the things we should really focus on to build a high performance team? So I could see these forces, these 5 forces is really significantly helping the team to really perform better. It's not completely different. More or less, you are seeing these, the similar types of patterns are available in all the sets, all the places. So first is ability to understand the context. Like we all need to know the what context you are operating in. Is it a retail? Is it a healthcare? Is it the aerospace? The context significantly influence the team performance. So understanding the context and really play around that is one of the crucial part. Then team composition, the what type of mixture or what type of skills and competence we should have in our team is one of the vital element. In absence of that, we will not able to really build high performance team, because there will be lack, there will be always some kind of a inefficiency in the team. So we need to constantly look for this and really fill in team chemistry. How well we are actually getting along with each other in a diversified distributed team is crucial, that we understand each other's chemistry. The faster we understand, the better we understand, effectiveness will grow. So importance activity to really look upon. Team coaching, everywhere you have seen this coaching is so vital in all the places, because in the modern way of leadership or in the modern way of interacting, it's all about like uplifting others, helping others, enabling others. So coaching is very vital, and we need to understand the traits of the coaching. What are the aspects need to be developed to become a better coach where we can help other? And then team leadership is one of the vital element which drives the individual, which drives the team, which drives everyone to that common shared purpose. So all these forces I'm seeing, like in all the transformation, these forces are constantly influencing our movement, our maneuver. Organizations or individuals who are able to really understand these forces and really work with these forces to strengthen these forces, they are able to really successful. So I thought of sharing this pattern, what I'm observing, and all these patterns you also can really see and then and validate that, like, is this what I'm saying is true? Do you also see the similar types of traits when you work with the transformation projects? So thank you so much for listening to me. I hope you will also able to see all those aspects whenever you are participating in any transformation program. Thank you for listening to me.